Back to Mogadishu, the republic's capital. The city is not very large. It doesn't have the usual distinctive marks of a capital: theaters, art galleries, historical and architectural monuments. But this is understandable. However, it has something characteristic of a capital of a young republic on its path to independent development. The city existed before, with these same houses, streets, and people. But it's a new city. Africa has changed, and so has Mogadishu. The people of independent Somalia, who have become members with equal rights in the International Union of Nations, contribute their share in the general development of the country's economy and culture. This can be felt in the tempo and pace of life in Mogadishu and its people. Work is going on at full speed. These young people are working on the Somali written language. These are school children with their young teachers. Soviet people came from a country that has a vast army of teachers at its disposal, and it's difficult to imagine that in African countries, the people's education is retarded mainly because of a lack of teachers. This young man is Elmi Ahmed Douale, a doctor. Elmi Ahmed told about the number of new hospitals and polyclinics. Medical care is free of charge and available to all. The children of Somalia are the people's joy and happiness. They are the future of the young republic.